Happy New Year from around the world! Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to ring in the new year? Because we are about to party! Just kidding, we've got something way more awesome planned. Today, we're diving into some of the most fascinating New Year celebrations from around the world. So buckle up, get ready for some serious wanderlust, and get ready to be amazed by these unique traditions. First stop, we're heading to the land of sunshine and shrimp on the Barbie, Sydney, Australia. I hear the people are super friendly, the beaches are beautiful, and the accents, forget about it. But for now, we'll have to settle for a virtual trip. And let me tell you, Sydney knows how to throw a New Year's Eve bash. Picture this, 1 million people crowded along the harbor, the iconic opera house gleaming under the summer sky, and then, boom! Fireworks! We're talking a pyrotechnic extravaganza that lights up the entire harbor. It's like 1,000 rainbows exploded in the sky. And the best part? Sydney is one of the first major cities to ring in the new year. So while we're still waiting for the ball to drop in Times Square, they're already partying like it's 1999 or 2024, I guess. Oh man, I'm getting major FOMO just thinking about it. Next up, we're traveling to the land of the rising sun, Japan. Now, New Year's is a super big deal in Japan. It's all about fresh starts, family, and tradition. And speaking of tradition, get ready for one of the coolest New Year's customs ever, the ringing of the bells. Picture this ancient Buddhist temples, serene gardens, and the sound of 108 chimes echoing through the air. It's magical. Each chime is supposed to cleanse you of the 108 worldly desires that, according to Buddhist belief, cause suffering. So it's like a spiritual cleanse for the new year. I could use a few of those chimes myself, to be honest. But seriously, can you imagine the feeling of standing there, surrounded by centuries of history, listening to those bells ring out? It must be incredibly powerful. And after the bells stop ringing, families gather for a traditional New Year's feast, exchange gifts, and wish each other good luck for the year ahead. Happy New Year from New York. Okay, let's be real, folks. You can't talk about New Year's Eve without mentioning the Big Apple. New York City, baby. The city that never sleeps, especially on New Year's Eve. Millions of people from all over the world cram into Times Square to watch that giant sparkly ball make its descent. It's iconic. Confetti raining down, everyone counting down together. It's the ultimate New Year's Eve party. And you know me, I love a good party. Actually, one year I snuck into Times Square dressed as a giant disco ball. Don't ask me how I got past security, but the energy in Times Square that night, electric. Everyone was so pumped for the new year. Auld Lang Syne and Fire festivals. All right, let's hop across the pond to Scotland. Get ready to celebrate Hogmanay. Hog, huh? Yeah, you heard me right. Hogmanay, it's the Scottish New Year, and trust me, these guys know how to party. We're talking fire festivals, street parties, and enough kilts to make your head spin. And then there's the singing of Auld Lang Syne. You know that song that plays at every New Year's Eve party? Turns out it's a Scottish poem set to music. And during Hogmanay, everyone joins hands and sings their hearts out at the stroke of midnight. It's all about remembering the past and looking forward to the future. So put on your kilt, grab a wee dram, and get ready to party like a true Scotsman, or just watch from the comfort of your couch. Lantern festivals and lucky money. Last but not least, we're jetting off to Taiwan for a New Year's celebration that's bursting with color and light. Get ready for the Lantern Festival. This is the grand finale of the Chinese New Year celebrations, and it is absolutely spectacular. Imagine thousands of glowing lanterns lighting up the night sky, each one decorated with intricate designs and symbols of good fortune. They've got floating lanterns, sky lanterns, lanterns shaped like dragons. You name it, they've got it. And the best part, you can actually write your wishes for the new year on a lantern and release it into the sky. It's like sending your dreams out into the universe. I'd probably wish for a lifetime supply of pizza. Of course, no New Year's celebration in Taiwan would be complete without red envelopes filled with lucky money. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of some of the most amazing New Year's celebrations around the world. Happy New Year, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this journey around the world. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. And let us know in the comments how you celebrate New Year's Eve. Happy New Year, everyone.